the size of the flames. Dwelling in my past, it's burning in my brain. Everyone that burns has to learn from the pain. Hey, I think another day my girlie ran away with my pay when fellas came to play. Now she's stuck with my homies and she's fucked, and I'm just a sucker with a lump in my throat. Like a chump, 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 like a chump. Should I be feeling bad? Should I be feeling good? It's kinda sad. I'm the laughing stock of the neighborhood, and you would think that I'd be moving on, but I'm a sucker like I said, fucked up in the head, not. And maybe she just made a mistake, and I should give her a break. My heart'll ache either way. Hey, what the hell would you want me to say? Oh, lie, get it up. I did it all for the king. Come on, for the king. Come on, so you can get the cookie. Stick it up, yo. Stick it up, yo. Stick it up, yo. Stick it up, yo. I did it all for the king. Come on, for the king. Come on, so you can get the cookie. Stick it up, yo. Stick it up, yo. Stick it up, yo. Stick it up, yo. Take so long? Why? Did I wait so long? To figure it out, but I did it, and I'm the only one underneath the sun who didn't get it. I can't believe that I could be deceived by my so-called girl, but in reality had a hidden agenda. She put my tender heart in a blender, but still I surrendered. Like a chump, 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 like a chump. I did it all for the king. Come on.